Guys, magwawala tayong filter. Kasi may filter to. Ayan guys, wala yung filter. Naglilinis na tayo. Ay no, may dumi agad mo. Ayan, naglinis na ako. Joke lang, hindi tayo naglilinis. Lagay lang natin yan dito. Hindi pa tayo lalamig. Siyempre, pagulong natin ay magrararo. Babaro tayo guys. I'll be your best friend. Nagrararo tayo ng slime at ano pa? Ano pa kaya? Ito lang, dalawa. Lag-lag pa. Unahin natin ay slime. Kasi maging water ring slime. Water ring slime. Yan. Gatag muna natin. Irahin natin ito yung slime sa likod. Slime muna unahin natin. I'll be your best friend. Hindi na yan. Watering siya. Dito lang sa banyo. Ay, kaya nag-watering ka na din ng kahapon. Gabing hapon. I'll be your best friend. Kaya naman ito pang linis.
But Seal's ambitions don't stop there. He plans to run for Parliament next year and groom his son to take over as mayor. However, reality paints a much less flattering picture. At one of Seal's sawmills, workers are on strike after going unpaid for 2 months. The mustache supervisor makes yet another empty promise, claiming that wages will be paid tomorrow when the factory gets its payment. Among the frustrated workers is Maya, a young repair technician who reluctantly backs down. She can't afford to lose her job, not with a younger brother at home depending on her. Between tuition, rent, and daily expenses, every paycheck is essential for their survival. But Maya's younger brother is anything but easy to deal with. He's convinced there's no future in their small town, where every business is monopolized by their corrupt mayor. As it storms off, the secretly devised camp. The situation went from bad to worse. Later that night,
Tapos tinapon ko na slime ko kasi